One man is responsible for poisoning every single person on Earth. Thomas Midgley Jr. didn't just fix engine knock, he launched a global chemical war against the human brain. He added tetraethyl lead to gasoline. At the molecular level, lead is a master of mimicry. It tricks your body into thinking it's calcium crossing the blood-brain barrier to dismantle your central nervous system. For 60 years, every exhaust pipe was a lead spray, dropping the global average IQ and leaving a toxic legacy in our bones that will take centuries to disappear. It's a chilling reminder of how one brilliant molecule can break an entire species, and that's exactly why